Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs and passive income seekers. Are you tired of working hard for your money? Do you dream of sipping margaritas on a beach while your bank account grows on its own? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a successful passive income stream that will make all your wildest dreams come true. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn some awesome tips and strategies to kick your passive income game into high gear. I'm sure many of you have heard of the term passive income, and are curious to know how you can create your own stream of it. So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top tips and tricks on how to create a successful passive income stream. What is passive income? First, let's start with the basics. What is passive income? Passive income is money that you earn without actively working for it. In other words, it's a stream of income that requires little to no effort on your part. This could be through investments, rental properties, online businesses, or any other source of income that doesn't require you to actively work for it. Why is passive income important? Passive income is important for several reasons. Firstly, it provides you with financial security and stability. Instead of relying on a single source of income, you have multiple streams of income that can help you weather any financial storm. Secondly, passive income gives you the freedom to do what you want, when you want. You're not tied to a 9-to-5 job and can work from anywhere in the world. Finally, passive income can help you achieve your financial goals faster, whether it's saving for retirement or building wealth. Top tips for creating a successful passive income stream. Find your niche. When it comes to finding your niche, there are a few things to consider. Firstly, you want to make sure that your niche is something that you're passionate about. If you're not interested in your niche, it's going to be hard to stay motivated and put in the work required to create a successful passive income stream. Secondly, you want to make sure that there is demand in the market for your niche. This means doing some research and seeing if there are other people already making money in your niche. If there's no demand, it's going to be hard to create a successful passive income stream. Thirdly, you want to make sure that your niche is profitable. This means doing some research into the potential revenue streams in your niche and seeing if they're viable. For example, if you're creating an online course, you want to make sure that there are people willing to pay for it. Build your platform. Once you've found your niche, it's time to start building your platform. There are several ways to do this, but the most common methods are through blogging, building a website, or creating a social media presence. Blogging is a great way to build an audience and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. You can create blog posts that provide value to your audience and share them on social media or other platforms. This will help you build an audience and establish yourself as an expert in your niche. Building a website is another great way to build your platform. You can create a website that showcases your products or services, and use it as a hub for your online business. This will give you a professional online presence and make it easier for people to find you. Finally, creating a social media presence is a great way to connect with your audience and build your brand. You can create social media profiles on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and share content that is relevant to your niche. This will help you build an audience and establish yourself as a thought leader in your space. Create your product or service. Once you have your platform in place, it's time to create your product or service. This could be an ebook, a course, a physical product, or anything else that's relevant to your niche. The key is to create something that solves a problem for your audience and that they're willing to pay for. When creating your product or service, it's important to keep a few things in mind. Firstly, you want to make sure that it's high quality and provides value to your audience. If your product or service doesn't provide value, people won't be willing to pay for it. Secondly, you want to make sure that it's priced correctly. You don't want to price your product or service too high, as this will deter potential customers. On the other hand, you don't want to price it too low, as this will make it difficult to generate a significant amount of revenue. Finally, you want to make sure that your product or service is marketed effectively. This means creating a sales page that highlights the benefits of your product or service and using persuasive language to convince people to buy it. Market your product or service. Once you have your product or service, it's time to start marketing it. There are several ways to do this, but the most common methods are through social media advertising, email marketing, and word of mouth. Social media advertising is a great way to get your product or service in front of your target audience. You can create ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram, and target them to people who are likely to be interested in your niche. Automate your stream of income. The final step in creating a successful passive income stream is to automate it. This could be through using tools like autoresponders, sales funnels, and other automation software. The goal is to create a system that generates income for you without requiring you to actively work for it. Use affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to generate passive income. Essentially, you promote other people's products and services, and earn a commission on any sales that are made through your unique affiliate link. This means that you don't have to create your own products or services but can still earn a passive income by promoting other people's offerings. Look for affiliate programs that are relevant to your niche, and promote products and services that you genuinely believe in. Create a sales funnel. A sales funnel is a series of steps that are designed to guide potential customers towards making a purchase. By creating a sales funnel, you can automate the process of generating leads and converting them into paying customers. This can help you create a more consistent stream of passive income, as you're not relying on one-time sales. Leverage the power of email marketing. Email marketing is a great way to build relationships with your audience and promote your products or services. By building an email list, you can stay in touch with your audience and provide them with valuable content on a regular basis. You can also use email marketing to promote your products or services and generate sales. Make sure to provide value in your emails, and avoid spamming your subscribers with too many promotions. Consider outsourcing. As your passive income stream grows, you may find that you don't have enough time to manage everything yourself. In this case, outsourcing can be a great way to free up your time and focus on what you're best at. You can outsource tasks like content creation, social media management, and customer support to freelancers or agencies. Continuously improve and innovate. Creating a successful passive income stream is an ongoing process. You need to continuously improve and innovate in order to stay ahead of the competition and keep generating revenue. This means staying up to date with industry trends, listening to feedback from your audience, and testing new ideas and strategies. Don't be afraid to pivot if something isn't working, and always be on the lookout for new opportunities. By following these tips, you can create a successful passive income stream that provides you with financial freedom and flexibility. Remember that it takes time, effort, and dedication to build a passive income stream, but the rewards are well worth it. In conclusion, creating a successful passive income stream is not an overnight process. It requires consistent effort, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. However, by following the tips and strategies outlined in this video, you can create a passive income stream that provides you with financial freedom and flexibility. Remember to focus on providing value to your audience, testing new ideas and strategies, and continuously improving and innovating. And don't be afraid to seek help from experts or outsource tasks to free up your time. With a solid plan and the right mindset, you can achieve your goals of creating a successful passive income stream. So start taking action today, and begin your journey towards financial freedom and flexibility. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.